Have you ever wondered why an apple falls down instead of up, or how planets stay in their orbits, dancing around the sun? The man who first answered these questions and fundamentally changed how we see the universe was Isaac Newton. His story isn't just about a guy and an apple, it's about a revolution in human thought. Born in 1643 in England, Newton was a curious and brilliant mind from a young age. He went to Cambridge University, but when the Great Plague hit, the university closed down, and he had to return home. But this wasn't a vacation for Newton. In what he later called his Year of Wonders, he made some of his most groundbreaking discoveries, all while sitting at home. It was during this time that he supposedly saw that famous apple fall. This simple event sparked a monumental idea. The force that pulled the apple to the ground is the same force that keeps the moon orbiting the Earth. This was the birth of his law of universal gravitation. It was a radical concept that connected the heavens and the earth with a single, elegant rule. But Newton didn't stop there. He also formulated his three laws of motion. First, an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion, unless acted on by a force. Second, force equals mass times acceleration. And third, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. These laws became the bedrock of classical physics and are still used today to design everything from cars to rockets. And as if revolutionizing physics wasn't enough, Newton also made incredible contributions to mathematics. To solve the problems he was working on in physics, he independently developed a whole new branch of math, calculus. This powerful tool allowed him to describe motion and change in a way no one had before. It's the mathematical language that scientists and engineers still speak today. Newton also made huge strides in the study of light. Through his famous prism experiment, he showed that white light is not pure but is actually a mixture of all the colors of the rainbow. This discovery laid the foundation for the field of optics. Isaac Newton's work wasn't just academic, it paved the way for the Industrial Revolution and the technological world we live in today. His ideas gave us a predictable, mechanical universe that we could understand, measure, and ultimately engineer. From the smartphone in your hand to the satellites in orbit, a piece of Newton's genius is in almost every piece of modern technology. He truly was one of the greatest scientific minds in history. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the mind of a genius, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about the people who shaped our world. See you next time.